In my previous video, I told you I have created my new channel. The name is the Loto Quest, but you are not supporting me. I am again requesting to you. I am giving the link of my channel in my description. You should go and subscribe to my channel. Hi my respected friends, today in this video I will show the best upcoming numbers for the Mahzooz draw, which is drawing on 21st January 2023. It is the comparison video. I will show the comparison year to year. If you like this, you can select your numbers according to this. If you don't like, you can leave it. Friends, this is the previous year 2022. These are the first three draws, and these are the previous first two draws of the year 2023. If you can see the first draw of 2022, the first number came 2, and now you can see the first draw of 2023. Here also the first number came is 2. Both first numbers are same. Second thing is, you can see no number came from the serial 30 to 39. Here is also you can see no number came from 30 to 39. It is very helpful comparison for your selection for the upcoming draw. So please look at carefully. In second draw of 2022, these numbers 2, 9, 28, 32 and 49. Same in 2023, the second draw 1, 9, 32, 38 and 40. You can see the two numbers. Number one is 9 and second one is 32. In my previous video, I already told that this is very important number near to draw, and in previous result you can see the 32 number has come and 9 number also come. You can see two numbers was made. And second thing is, you can see no number came from 10 to 19. Here is also you can see no number came from 10 to 19. They are following the previous year pattern. So when you select, you should keep this in your mind. The third draw of 2022, these are the numbers you can see. And the third draw, upcoming draw of Mahzooz 2023. If they follow the same thing in the upcoming draw, then these are the numbers 4, 16, 17, 22 and 29. You need to select 2 or 3 numbers from these 5 numbers. These are very important numbers. And second thing is, you can see the no number came from 30 to 39 and from 40 to 49. According to this, from 30 to 39 and from 40 to 49. Now it's up to you which serial you can skip for this draw, this one or this one. From these two serials, the one serial will not come in this draw. So when you select your numbers, you should skip the one serial from these two serials, and you can pick 2 or 3 numbers from these numbers. In my previous video, I told you I have created my new channel. The name is the Loto Quest, but you are not supporting me. I am again requesting to you. I am giving the link of my channel in my description. You should go and subscribe to my channel. Begin. Good luck to all and goodbye.